I know it's not made right.
Greg's job is in jeopardy.
See if we can still use your services.
Lisa's road to respect hits the skids. And Alex attempts to save the life of a trucker after a horror smash on the daughter.
Look at me. Okay, Gert.
A new comic and a difference of opinion causes Patrick James to play some dirty tricks next. He's on the trail of another killer in The Mentalist. Brand new in just a moment here on Channel 5. Tear-jerking drama with Will Smith and son Jaden for a single dad in pursuit of happiness in a tick on 5-star. Well, who's the insider leaking top secrets and potentially deadly information? Eraser of 5 USA.
This winter, you're never far from the beach with Home and Away. Catch a new episode weekdays at